Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your ElevenLabs workspace resource type. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. To change your resource types, go and log into your ElevenLabs account and then head over to your profile icon on top here and go to Workspace settings. However, here you can see we don't have access to our resources. To do that, change this from General to Resources. So from Resources here, you can see your current resource type, and currently my resource type is Voice. If you wish to change this, now click on this drop down. You can see we have a drop down here, and you can change these resources from either Voice to Voice Collection, Pronunciation Dictionaries, Dubbing Projects, Conv AI agents, knowledge based, among many other options that are available. We also have even MCP servers as well as phone numbers. So choose the one you wish, and once you have selected it, now you can search by resource ID to fully put it according to what you have selected. If it is project, you can also do the same. So that's how you can change your resource types in ElevenLabs Workspace. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.